RADICL's Managed Security Awareness is here to cover all CMMC required training, such as CUI handling, as well as normal training for other organizations, annual security awareness training, data protection, phishing basics, password hygiene, all the important topics that users need to be taught. RADICL provides these security training programs. With this, we'll synchronize against your Google Workspaces or your Microsoft 365 groups to know which users need to be assigned the training courses. From there, RADICL will send out reminders to make sure that the users complete the training on time, and it's all audited and tracked properly. Additionally, we'll provide phishing simulation, which will allow for us to test your user base to make sure that they can detect phishing attempts. If they click on a phish or enter credentials in those phishing attempts, they'll automatically be enrolled in additional training to help them become more vigilant in the future. All of this information is used to help build what we call a user awareness score. This score is used to help rank the users and identify the ones that could be considered a high risk versus a low risk. In this score, we'll build out a timeline that tracks all their history and the reasons that they have obtained that score that we've recorded, making it quick and easy to assist during a security investigation, but also to help just know the user security acumen.